When I was a kid, my friends and I used to ride around the neighborhood on our bikes pretending we were the Blue Angels riding in formation. This is so much better. Kind of boys playing with their toys day. Got my airplane all ready to go, and Gibby's gonna get his 150 up and running. We're gonna go hop down to Fayetteville Municipal in South Central Tennessee and kind of do our thing. So I'm excited. This is something we've been talking about doing literally for like a year since Gibby got his airplane. So we're finally gonna make it happen today. Ready to go, buddy?
Yep.
Good.
Hurry up, Dina.
So which can we go for down to 500, get above this bump?
Yeah, this is just a odd spot right here.
I think we should be for, 3,500 or 5,500.
Yeah, I was up at 35, and it's not very fun right there. It's kind of like right in the transition.
Well, 3,000 ain't too bad.
I'm good with it.
So when you overtake, you're gonna go left?
I'm gonna keep you right in front of me here for now.
That's fine.
It was a really short stay on the ground in Fayetteville for me and Rockwell, as Gibby was meeting with his brother. So Rockwell and I decided to continue on to Huntsville, which was only about 20 minutes away. And 12994, departing runway 20, Fayetteville.
Numbers over Cedar Town, okay. Numbers over Cedar Town, okay.
Huntsville International is an airport I'm extremely familiar with. After working there for the past 8 years in a supporting role in management of the FBO, it's a great place to fly to. It's a quick hop from Nashville. It has all the amenities of a large airport, including approaches and services, with the small airport feel. Couple good flights in the book so far. Now we're gonna go grab some grub. So we made it to Huntsville. We're grabbing some lunch now. Taco thinks he's like a boxer or something.
I beat him in football. Paper football.
It's pretty cool. The restaurant's got paper football, and Rockwell just killed me. Well, we had a good lunch with a dead camera, so you don't get to see any of that, but getting ready to head back to Nashville. Had to do a little impromptu maintenance. Our front tire was getting a little low, so had to pump some air into it. should at least be enough of a patch to get us home.
Yeah.
But yeah, there's the airplane. Time to go.
With us at 3274 X-ray Huntsville Tower, enter your right downwind for runway 36 left, report midfield.
All right, lights are on.
74 X-ray, report midfield.
Car beats cold. We are cleared for takeoff. Runway heading.
Aircraft Huntsville 8 information hotels now current altimeter 29901.
After winds, descend via the swift arrival, exact jet 563 2988.
Love you, buddy.
What?
Said I love you.
I love you too, Daddy.
I don't think you can ask for a much better Sunday afternoon of flying than this. Didn't really even plan to have all the adventures we did, but you can't ask for much more fun than flying formation with a good buddy, going to another airport, grabbing some lunch, and flying home just in time to catch the sunset. It was a perfect day. Me and Rockwell had a blast. We made it back just before it's like official night, so.
Yeah.
But pretty cool day of flying.
Well,
I don't know if you can see it, but like right there, that light, those two lights over the hangar, that's actually Saturn and Jupiter.
Yeah, those stars are Saturn and Jupiter.
That's cool.
Yeah.
All right, good day of flying. I don't know what that was. Let's head home.